A healthy lymphatic system, its importance and how to achieve it. The lymphatic system is a network of organs, vessels, glands, and tissues working together to drain a watery fluid called lymph from throughout the body. It is crucial in overall well-being and plays an essential role in the human body. Functions of the lymphatic system. A healthy lymphatic system is important as it functions in the immune system, fluid balance, nutrition absorption, detoxification, tissue repair, and healing. Here are its key functions. Immune function. The lymphatic system is a vital part of the immune system, which protects the body against pathogens such as bacteria, viruses, parasites, fungi, and other harmful substances. It produces and releases lymphocytes, a type of white blood cell, and other immune cells. Lymph nodes, which are small structures found throughout the body, contain these immune cells that help identify and eliminate foreign invaders. They filter lymph fluid, trapping and destroying harmful substances, and produce antibodies to fight infections. Fluid balance. The lymphatic system helps maintain the balance of fluids in the body. It collects excess fluid, waste products, and proteins from our body's tissues and transports them back into the bloodstream. This process prevents the accumulation of fluid in tissues, which could lead to edema, swelling, if not properly managed. Nutrient absorption. Most nutrients can travel through tiny openings, pores in the walls of our capillaries, and the body can then absorb and use them. But certain fats and other molecules are too large to travel in this way.
The lymphatic system is involved in the absorption and transportation of dietary fats and fat-soluble vitamins, such as vitamins A, D, E, and K, from the digestive system into the bloodstream.
Specialized lymphatic vessels called lacteals in the small intestine absorb these nutrients, forming a milky fluid called chyle, which eventually enters the bloodstream. Detoxification. The lymphatic system helps remove toxins, waste products, old or abnormal cells, and metabolic byproducts from the body. Lymphatic vessels collect these substances from tissues and carry them to lymph nodes for filtration and elimination. This detoxification process is essential for maintaining overall health and preventing the buildup of harmful substances. Tissue repair and healing. The lymphatic system plays a crucial role in tissue repair and wound healing. It helps transport immune cells, growth factors, and other necessary components to injured tissues, promoting healing and regeneration. Additionally, the lymphatic system helps remove cellular debris and excess fluid from the site of injury, facilitating the recovery process. That is why maintaining a healthy lymphatic system is so important to our overall health. Consequences of a dysfunctional lymphatic system. When the lymphatic system doesn't function properly, it can lead to various problems, diseases, and sub-health situations. Some of the consequences of a dysfunctional lymphatic system include edema and lymphedema. A malfunctioning lymphatic system may result in the accumulation of fluid in tissues, leading to swelling and edema. When the edema fluid buildup becomes chronic and severe, may lead to lymphedema. This condition occurs when lymphatic vessels or nodes are damaged or blocked by scarred tissues. It can also happen when the lymph nodes have been removed to treat a condition like cancer. Fluid most commonly builds up in the arms or legs, causing swelling, discomfort, pain, and disabling. Skin problems and infections. The lymphatic system plays a crucial role in the immune function and detoxification. When it fails to filter and remove pathogens from the body effectively, skin conditions may arise, including dry skin, rashes, eczema, or slow wound healing. Impaired immune response and poor lymphatic drainage also increase the risk of infections, such as cellulitis or lymphangitis, to even serious and potentially life-threatening deep skin infections. Allergies and sensitivities. A compromised immune system can lead to increased sensitivity to allergens and a heightened allergic response. Individuals may experience more frequent allergies, sensitivities to certain foods or environmental triggers, and more severe allergic reactions. Nutrition deficit problems.
While a healthy lymphatic system is vital to the absorption of essential fatty acids and fat solution nutrients such as vitamins A, D, E, and K, dysfunction of the system can significantly impact overall health and well-being.
For example, stunted growth, delayed development, and other developmental abnormalities for children due to malnutrition. Weakened bones, increased risk of fractures, and conditions like osteoporosis may result in vitamin D deficiency. Vision problems include night blindness and an increased risk of eye conditions such as dry eyes and age-related macular degeneration due to impaired absorption of vitamin A. Lacking of vitamins E and B and certain minerals may cause neurological complications such as nerve damage, cognitive decline, and mood disorders. The lymphatic system. This system involves a complex network of vessels, nodes, and organs working together to transport lymph fluid throughout the body. Here's a simplified explanation of how the lymphatic system works. Lymphatic vessels. Lymphatic vessels are thin tubes that carry lymph fluid, similar to how blood vessels carry blood. These vessels form a network that extends throughout the body. Lymph fluid. Lymph fluid is a clear, colorless fluid that contains white blood cells, proteins, fats, and other substances. It moves through its series of lymphatic vessels toward the neck and then the heart, in a one-way action. The lymph fluid collects and transports foreign material, protecting us against disease, bacteria, viruses, and fungi. It transports fatty acids and fat-soluble nutrients from the digestive system for absorption into the blood vessels. The lymph also assists our metabolism. Lymph nodes. Lymph nodes are small bean-shaped structures located along the lymphatic vessels. They filter and purify the lymph fluid, remove waste products, toxins, and foreign particles. Lymph nodes also contain immune cells that help fight infections and diseases. Lymphatic organs. In addition to lymph nodes, the lymphatic system includes other organs, such as the spleen, thymus, and tonsils, which also play important roles in immune function. Functioning almost like a sponge, the lymphatic system absorbs excess lymph fluid from the body's organs and returns it to the bloodstream. So when the lymphatic system is damaged or blocked, it disrupts the normal flow of lymph fluid, leading to its accumulation in the affected area. This results in the development of lymphedema, symptoms of which include swelling, heaviness, tightness, discomfort, and reduced flexibility in the affected area. How does the lymph fluid circulation work? Unlike our circulatory system, the lymphatic system doesn't have its own series of muscles like the heart to pump it around. It requires physical movement via external methods. The movement of lymph fluid is controlled by two types of forces: external pressure and internal contraction. Muscle movement is crucial for maintaining a healthy flow of lymph fluid in our body. Here's why. External pressure. The movements of our organs and skeletal muscles exert external pressure on the walls of the lymphatic system. This pressure helps to squeeze the lymphatic vessels and push the lymph fluid along its path. Without regular muscle movement, this external pressure would be significantly reduced, leading to sluggish lymph flow. Internal contractions. The walls of the lymphatic vessels contain smooth muscles that contract rhythmically. These contractions play a major role in propelling the lymph fluid forward. They act as a pump, pushing the lymph through the vessels and preventing it from pooling or stagnating. Regular muscle movement helps stimulate these contractions, ensuring an efficient circulation of lymph throughout the body. So what leads to blockage or damage of the lymphatic system? The lymphatic system can stop working properly if it becomes blocked, inflamed, or cancerous. There are many causes leading to the impairment of the system, including lifestyle, health situation, and genetic factors. Certain modern lifestyle has made this situation further worsen. Sedentary lifestyle. Regular exercise, involving movement and muscle contractions, propels lymph fluid through the lymphatic vessels. Lack of physical activity and prolonged sitting or standing can hinder lymph flow, leading to stagnation and increasing the risk of blockages. Poor diet. A diet high in processed foods, excessive salt, and unhealthy fats can contribute to inflammation and water retention, putting additional strain on the lymphatic system. Proper hydration is also important to the flow of lymph fluid. Obesity. Excess body weight puts pressure on the lymphatic vessels and impairs lymph flow. It can also contribute to chronic inflammation, which further compromises the lymphatic system's function. Tight clothing. Wearing tight clothing that constricts lymphatic pathways, particularly in areas like the waist, groin, or underarms, can impede normal lymphatic flow. Surgery and radiation. Lymph nodes or lymph vessels may be removed or damaged during surgical procedures, particularly those involving cancer treatment or lymph node dissection. Radiation therapy for cancer treatment causes scarring and also disrupts the normal functioning of the lymphatic system. Infections. Certain infections, such as filariasis, a parasitic infection, or cellulitis, a bacterial skin infection, can cause inflammation and damage to the lymphatic vessels and nodes. Genetic factors. In some cases, lymphedema can be inherited due to genetic mutations, affecting the development or function of the lymphatic system. Finally, how to improve the health of the lymphatic system. Addressing the lymphatic system is beneficial for overall health and immunity. It has shown promising results in helping with inflammation, pain, stress, blockages, weight problems, skin issues, and gut health. Achieving healthy lymph fluid flow in daily life involves lifestyle change, assisting tools, and various treatments. Here are a few practical tips. Stay active. The primary drivers of lymphatic movement are activity and breathing. Regular exercise, particularly those involve muscle contraction and movement of limbs, such as walking, cycling, and aerobic exercise that raises your heart rate, can enhance lymphatic flow. Even a 15-minute jog while focusing on deep breaths helps your body shift the fluid around and get rid of metabolic waste. Swimming also benefits as the water pressure provides a built-in compression which further helps lymphatic circulation. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Avoid prolonged sitting or standing. Take short breaks to move around, stretch, and change your body's posture. Simple movements like walking around the room, stretching your arms and legs, or doing flexibility exercises can help stimulate muscle contractions, keep your muscles active, improve blood flow, and prevent lymphatic stagnation. Lymphatic massage. Self-massage or professional massages on certain areas of your body can help stimulate the circulation of lymph fluid, reduce any blockages or congestion, and speed up the removal of wastes and toxins. Lymphatic massage, or lymphatic drainage, has very light pressure because the lymphatic system is close to the surface of the skin. It is not like a regular massage that has deeper pressure to massage the muscles. It also has a specific sequence to ensure the blocked lymph areas are cleared and the lymph is being moved in the right direction. Maintain a healthy weight. Maintaining a healthy weight reduces the burden on the lymphatic system and promotes better fluid flow. Wear compression garments. Compression garments, such as sleeves or stockings, can provide external pressure to promote lymphatic flow. Assisting device. With technological advancement, there are new approaches to improve swollen limbs by utilizing devices that aid in muscle movement and lymphatic fluid circulation. ageLOC WellSpa IO, for example, is an innovative beauty and wellness device introduced by New Skin that addresses the health of the lymphatic system. Improves lymphatic health with ageLOC WellSpa IO. ageLOC WellSpa IO is one of the products under the line of ageLOC, which is the technology owned by New Skin that targets the ultimate sources of aging. By identifying, targeting, and resetting youth gene clusters, ageLOC reverses the signs of aging and preserves youth. WellSpa is the personalized wellness and beauty device to restore, revitalize, and recover, while IO symbolizes its IoT nature, meaning the Internet of Things. This advanced device incorporates advanced adaptive microcurrent technology, which continuously adapts to changes in skin conductivity throughout each session. This handy device is lightweight, portable, and easy to use at home or during traveling. It has an ergonomically designed conductive surface, built-in smart sensors, app connectivity, and a convenient wireless charger. All these features make ageLOC WellSpa IO an optimal and comfortable experience with high effectiveness. When it comes to a healthy lymphatic system, ageLOC WellSpa IO improves fluid movement and circulation of the body, helps detoxification, aids in muscle recovery, and promotes overall relaxation, while maintaining skin firms and tightens various areas of the body. In the treatment of swollen limbs due to blockage of the lymphatic system, the device is to be used with their formulated ageLOC body activating gel. During treatment, apply the gel liberally to the targeted area and lightly glide the device in long, upward strokes. This process helps improve circulation and lymphatic fluid flow, supports the body's natural toxin removal process, invigorates muscles, stimulates relaxation, and aids in reducing swelling and the appearance of puffiness. By incorporating the ageLOC WellSpa IO into a wellness routine, you can benefit from its innovative technology and enhance overall well-being.